Find your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus stuck on Apple logo while starting it up? Wonder how to fix the stuck Apple logo on your iPhone 7 without losing data and let it boot up successfully? Follow the solutions in this video to get past the frozen Apple logo screen. See what to do here if the device is stuck on a boot loop. When your iPhone 7 is stuck on Apple logo, all you see on the screen is Apple logo icon with a black or white screen. Maybe your device has been stuck at the Apple logo when you're turning on the phone. Sometimes, you may see that your iPhone 7 freezes on Apple logo along with a progress bar on the screen for more than 1 hour while restoring it from a backup, updating the iOS software, transferring data from previous device, etc. No matter what causes the stuck Apple logo problem, there are some fixes you can try to fix iPhone 7 stuck on Apple logo. And the first one is to force restart iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. No computer is needed here to fix your iPhone 7 being stuck on Apple logo and getting frozen. Press both the side button on the right and the volume down button on the left. Then, the stuck Apple logo screen will go black. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo again. Okay, now, the screen displays the Apple logo again. Release the buttons and let it reboot. Your iPhone 7 should turn back on successfully, without deleting any data there. What if, after the forced restart, your iPhone 7 turns on but gets stuck on Apple logo again during startup? Some users do complain in Apple discussion forum they tried force iPhone 7 to reboot but nothing changes. The screen turns off and on and then still goes back to the Apple logo, or the Apple logo doesn't go away from the display at all. In this case, you'll need to put your iPhone 7 into recovery mode and then do an update to get out of the Apple logo screen. Here, you'll need a computer. Then, connect your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to the computer. Open the latest version of iTunes if you're using a Windows PC or a Mac running macOS Mojave or earlier. If you have a Mac with macOS Catalina, open Finder instead. To put an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus into recovery mode, hold both the side button and volume down button at the same time. You can see the screen turn black, and then the Apple logo appears again. Just continue holding the buttons. When you see the recovery mode screen, release both buttons. Now, iTunes or Finder will quickly recognize your device even though it's frozen at the Apple logo screen and give you two options, update and restore. Choose update. It'll then download the iOS software, extract it and install it to your iPhone 7 to fix the stuck white or black Apple logo screen. You'll see an Apple logo and a loading bar on your iPhone 7 screen, which indicates the progress for the installation. Keep your device connected and wait until your device restarts. If your device exits the recovery mode during the process, just repeat the step before to enter again. Now, your iPhone 7 should be back to normal again. If the update fails, it'll inform you that you'll need to restore your device. Note that this will erase everything from your device and then bring it back to the state like it just came out of the box. If you have a recent backup for the device data, just get into recovery mode again by pressing the side button and volume down button and click Restore in iTunes or Finder to do that. If iPhone 7 Apple logo remains stuck after the restore, which could happen if your device has been jailbroken or do a repair like screen replacement, you'll need to reach out and contact Apple. That's all for how to fix iPhone 7 or iPhone Plus that's stuck on Apple logo screen. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you have any question. That would be awesome if you can give this video a like, share it with friends and subscribe further. Alright, see you in the next video and have a wonderful day.